Hello there, friends and viewers. Welcome back again to our today's topic. In today's topic, we are going to see tips for practical use and problem solving, specifically on the topics under part 5, which is the layout. We have discussed different topics under layout, for example, orientation, columns, breaks, indent, and spacing. So, in today's topic, we will just highlight the practical use and the problem solving of those productivity tools in practical world. So to create more uniform spacing and save space in your document, so you will have a very uniform spacing and save space as well. And to do that, we have to use hyphenation. So that is one productivity tool. The other is to split your text into two or more columns for a long list, especially for newspaper columns, as well as for different articles columns. So in that case, you will use we will use for productivity tool called columns. Uh, for the for example, hyphenation is actually used for space saving as well as good uniformity. Can you see here? It is hyphenation is used in this one to just break when actually the word is actually break into different next paragraph or next line. It has been used hyphenation here, so that is how hyphenation is used. And therefore the columns is used for newspapers and for articles. The other is to use landscape and portrait styles on different page of the same document. In that case, we will use break and orientation. So first we will break the sections of the page, then you will use different orientation. For example, the first one for portrait and the second one for landscape. So those are practical utility, and I see some people actually just have a difficulty in using that, and that will actually a great saver if the practice it and use it in practical cases. So those are the tips for practical use and problem solving in for topics we have discussed under layouts, and we have discussed at least 6 topics under this section. For example, we have discussed about orientation, columns, breaks, hyphenation, indent, and spacing. And if you want to have more understanding on those, you can actually go back and see each of the topics. We have a separate video for each of them, and one can actually go and grab some of the utilities of those productivity tools. And that's all. And with that, we have finished the topics under this section, section 5, which is the layout. And next we will have self-test question on this thematic area or on this part. So that's it, and thank you very much, and bye bye.